Hello there, it's Saturday, May 2nd. And this is Suburban water heater standard door number 4. The first one was damaged beyond use. Second one was damaged, but I straightened it and I thought I was going to use it, but I didn't like it. Third one I bought by mistake. It's a replacement for an Atwood. And this should be the door that I want, as long as it's not tore up, because the box was kind of beat. I guess I should have went around, got a hole there, and this was torn open on the side. So let's see. There's the ring, and it looks fine. I think we're good. There it is. Not a thing wrong with it.
Took 4 times.
Door number 4. Yeah, it's straight. All right, good. So now we got our heater and our door.